And finally, the cool down. Start with poses. Chest, chest, hand, hand, inhale, and exhale. One more time. Hands, yes, inhale, and exhale. Now, dorsal stretch and calf. Put your heel on the floor. Very good. Push from your head down. Relax your neck. Go down and go to the side. Heel on the floor. Now, pull elbow to the hip. Yes. Flex and extend your knee. And now choreography, double, up, single, pose, torso to the back and cha-cha. Torso and cha-cha. Reverse turn, 4 taps with torso. And remember the poses from the beginning. Shoulder, down and up, double. Repeat, single, pose, open, torso, cha-cha, torso, cha-cha, reverse turn, 4, and poses, chest, hands, circle. Like beginning the other side, put your heel on the floor, and dorsal stretch. You got it. Now, push your head down, relax your neck, come back, go to the side. Very good. Now dynamic stretch. Are you ready? Go. Yes. Move your hip and flex your knee. Are you ready? Choreography. Forward, double, single, torso, cha-cha, turn, poses, shoulders from the top. Very easy. Yes. Try to remember. Turn. Poses. Shoulder. And go down. Adductor stretch. Open your knees to the side. 4, 3, 2. Extend and go down. Put your hands on your feet. Now, dynamic stretch, step and torso to the side, like balance. Give me 4 more. More dynamic stretch, push, push, open, push, open, push, open. Last time, choreography. You got it, single, open, chest, cha-cha. Yes, reverse turn, taps and torso. Poses and shoulders. From the top. You got it. This is Ritmix 57. Go back. Very good. Enjoy the music. Relax your body. Poses, because this is the end. One more repetition. Double. Yes. Chill out. Very good. Woo. Poses. Shoulders. One more pose for the end. Chest.